mga mamits, it's raining and it's wet, but you see all my fruit tree is so good. It looks so great. Look at all my peaches. And this sunflower from my seed. See that? Kabebe, I think I send you some of this seed. You see that? It's beautiful. Oh, I'm gonna go. Look at that. But we can just cut it off because we don't need, if you notice, you don't need the branches here, right there. You don't need that. And I'm just gonna cut this and just pick it up. You know what? It's okay, even if there's some insect bite. That means it's healthy and you don't put chemicals in it. So it's good. I'm just gonna drop it off and get it later, alright? Oopsie. Oopsie, mga mamit. I'm so sorry. But, like I said, I'm gonna grab them. What happened to this? Uh-oh. Well, I gotta cut that. I'm gonna cut this and just grab it later. Because I miss cooking bitter melon in my mais. Mais means corn. And look how healthy they are. See how big is the leaves? Look at my hands. Okay. So I'm gonna grab as much as I can on the bottom because you don't need this anyway. Ooh, look at that. The Indian bitter melon, you gotta cut this thing so the energy doesn't go to the fruit. You need to let them concentrate going into the vine. Oopsie. And look at all my colitis. So I'm gonna cut this. Sorry. See that? And oh, sorry. It's really hard, but you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna get my calamondin first, right here. Alright. First, I got calamondin. See that? Calamondin. I'm gonna get it for my pork barbecue. You don't cut it with your toe, with your fingernail. Hello, not toe. So that way you don't harm the tree and you don't disturb the roots. All right? You see that? I got few, but maybe there is more. I don't want to miss. Oh, right there. See? See, I got 7 pieces that I'm gonna put in my pocket so they don't keep falling on me. I'm gonna grab this. No, that's not. You will know if it's ready because they are soft and you can tell they are so juicy. All right? Okay, I have more coming up, but it's gonna be in a week. And I will show you. I will show you. I will show you the other tree. You don't see any leaves. I cut them so short and voila. You don't see nothing but flower. But of course, we'll see if we can thin them out. Once I got some sun, I'm gonna take them out. And it's all my cherry tomato. And it's really my dragon fruit. No, it's not dragon fruit. It's my passion fruit. It's really keep going. So I need to buy a nice pots to make them even grow more. So it's raining, and I think to keep going on taking some bitter melon leaves. I don't need much, but when I eat this, I eat like a candy. Do you know that bitter melon leaves is really good for your, if you have diabetic? And I rather eat this than medicine. We have sometimes we have some priorities in life, but this thing will say, a lot of people will say, yuck. It's okay, you can like this, but if you drink it and drink this tea or eat these leaves, I guarantee you there will be no side effect on your body, except you're gonna be healthy. But like I said, I don't need much. So I just drop it off, and I'll pick it up right now. So, and then I'm going upstairs. I don't want to be in the sun this wet season. Okay, I have more, but I cannot get them. It's so rainy season. Look how beautiful. There's some bitter melon growing, and I need to cut a lot of branches growing from the bottom. This. So it's okay if a lot of flaxseed. Like I said, the more the healthier, it's better. It's not only good for your belly, but it's also good for your heart. Flaxseed has a lot of vitamins that your body needs. A little bit more and it will be cooked. The bitter melon is so good for you. The leaves, even the fruit, and it smells so good. People, they don't like it, but actually I love it. And you know, Papa Love even eat this. He doesn't care. He knows it's healthy and I'm eating it, so he eats it too. That's it. And it's so tasty. Yummy, yummy for your tummy. So we're gonna eat mama meat with my rice, healthy rice. A little bit only, because corn is also form of carbohydrates, and we all know that. This is done. So it's kind of soup, but it's also kind of sauté vegetable. Alright, Mama. Healthy for you. Oh, see my glass? Good, good, good. Yummy, yummy. Yummy in my tummy. This is a traditional food in Baliwag, Bulacan. Lahat po kaming taga Baliwag, ganito po kami magluto ng mais. I'm gonna remove this because it's getting hot. Believe me or not, my bitter melon leaves. You don't say you're eating bitter melon. It's 3 o'clock and I think I have a small piece of banana bread. And this is my first and last real food meal for the day. So, it's really good mimitas. This is healthy and yet simple food, especially in the rainy season. It's the best. If it's so hot in summertime, this is not something that you would like to eat and cook in your house. Mm. Hanggang dito na lamang po, mga mahal kong mamita. Maraming salamat po sa walang sawa niyong pagsubaybay. Thank you for always there for me. So please don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. Thank you so much, and please do not skip the ad. Thank you, and remember, in Mamita, there's no stress, only happy lang tayo, and we will have the best life and stress-free. And thank you for all your support. I love you all, and thank you. God bless you all. I love you.